What are you doing? Are you going to make a heart with that? Put it in the paint, and then put it right here. On your porcelain piece, your ceramic piece. Put it right here. There you go. You make a heart like that. You make your hearts? Let's see how they turned out. Can't really tell that they're a heart, huh? Ariana? Ariana? Hey. Did you get paint on you? Got paint on your hands?
Look at Daddy.
Let's see. Grab the paintbrush. Got some new colors right there. Huh? Oh, no. Here. What color is that? Green? Blue? That's blue. And that's red. And that's green. Huh? Can you say blue? Can you say red? Can you say green? Yeah. Blue, red, and green. Now let's paint with the red. Come on. Put some red on your brush. Oh. Now you got blue, red, and green paint. It's all mixed. What did you say? Blue? What is that? A sponge? You want to wipe it off? Here. Gonna clean up? Or you gonna paint the sponge? Paint the sponge, huh? Gonna paint it blue? Now red. Say red.
Ariana, why don't you paint your thingy? Let's get green. Get green. Green. That's blue. Okay.